kickstarting this bulletin with some breaking news coming in now. Even as the Congress is trying to corner the government over the demonetization drive, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi seems to be heading on another sabbatical. Sources have told India Today that Rahul Gandhi is going abroad on a short break for the new year. Sources have also told us that he'll be back possibly by the 4th of January. All right, to get us more details on this, let's get in our executive editor, Javed Ansari. Javed, this really doesn't bode well for the Congress because on one side, you're seeing, of course, that they're trying to pile pressure on the Modi government over the demonetization drive. And this has been a controversial issue in the past, Rahul Gandhi going on a sabbatical.
Look, first of all, he's not going on a sabbatical. He's going on 4 days leave for the New Year's, and he will be back by Tuesday or latest Wednesday. This is what Rahul Gandhi, sources close to Rahul Gandhi have said. I don't think this bodes well for the Congress party or for anybody. The country is as it is in a holiday mood, and this is not a long sabbatical like the last one that he's taken. He's not surreptitiously leaving the country. His office has put it out on Twitter, has notified everybody that he's going on leave. And like all of us, Rahul Gandhi too, and other political leaders too are entitled to leave.
Javed, also, do you think that this will, in a way, flatten the Congress's fight really over the demonetization drive? Because there's no doubt that the BJP will latch on to this issue.
No, why should it? Why should it? It's just for 4 days. Like I said earlier, there's New Year's. Everybody seems to be in a lot more relaxed mood. So he will take off from where he left once he returns. 4 days or 5 days will not make much of a difference. A lot of political party leaders are out on vacation. Lots of them are vacationing in the country, lots are vacationing abroad. Why should there be a separate set of rules for Rahul Gandhi and one set for the others?
Okay, all right, Javed, stay on with us. Also joining us on this story is Maushami Singh. Maushami, what details do we really know about this trip of Rahul Gandhi's? We understand that he'll be back by the 4th of January. Any word really on where he's headed, or has there been any confirmation really from the Congress? Maushami, if you can hear me, if you could give us more details about this particular trip of Rahul Gandhi's, any confirmation coming in from the Congress on when he's heading off, when he'll be back and where he's going?
Yeah. Skype kahan gaya?
All right, we'll get back to Maushami in just a bit. Let's go across to Shiv Arur, who's joining us live with more details on this story. Shiv, this has been an issue that has been controversial in the past, especially considering this is, of course, Rahul Gandhi that we're talking about, and the fact that the Congress is now upping the ante over the government's demonetization. This really gives ammunition to the BJP, doesn't it?
Definitely gives ammunition to his detractors, especially within the BJP. Akshata, you're absolutely right. In my view, I think every Neta is entitled to a private vacation. Nobody has very much of any business, commenting one way or the other about whether they have a right to a vacation. He's taking this vacation in a private capacity, so no one should begrudge him that. Millions of people take vacations at this time of year. But like you said, the context is very important. The political atmosphere in the country at this time is hugely important. The demonetization issue is something that the Congress has bitten into very hard. They've taken it they've taken it to the streets. They've decided to organize national campaigns against the Modi government. And Rahul Gandhi should have been seen to have been leading it, and certainly not spent any time away from leading, what is a very emotive campaign. Point number two, we're right on the cusp of an important election cycle in the country, Akshata, and Rahul Gandhi is supposed to be here, appear like a leader, and like you said, he's been in this situation in the past as well. While nobody can criticize somebody actually taking a vacation, it's the context, it's the atmosphere, it's the political tutu meme that will follow that Rahul Gandhi has left himself open to, and you can bet your last buck that's precisely what will happen. He will be called a deserter. He will be called a person with misplaced priorities, who sees a vacation in Europe or in London as more important than, being here at this time. Prime Minister Modi is going to be making a speech later today as well. So all of these combined will make Rahul Gandhi something of a political target and perhaps of ridicule as well.
Absolutely. As I mentioned earlier, the BJP will definitely latch on to this issue and question where is Rahul Gandhi time and again. But let's listen to what the Congress had to say about Rahul Gandhi's vacation and the timing really of it. Maushmi caught up with Randeep Surjewala and here's what he had to say.
नोटबुक के जरिए अर्थक्वेक लाई कांग्रेस पार्टी। हमारे साथ मीडिया चेयरपर्सन रणदीप सुरजेवाला हैं। सुरजेवाला साहब, राहुल गांधी ने भूकंप का जिक्र किया, उसके बाद सहारा डायरी कहा, आपने मुद्दा क्यों बदल दिया? डिमोनेटाइजेशन पे आप आ गए अर्थक्वेक की बात करके, जबकि शरद पवार से लेकर कई नेताओं ने इसकी खिल्ली उड़ाई कि भूकंप आया नहीं, जिस तरह से राहुल गांधी ने कहा था।
मोदी जी अपने खिलाफ लगाए गए भ्रष्टाचार के सबूतों की खिल्ली और उड़ाएं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पर केवल देश को ये बताएं कि उन्होंने सहारा और बिरला ग्रुप से पैसा लिया या नहीं लिया, क्योंकि ये राहुल गांधी जी नहीं कह रहे। इनकम टैक्स ने जो कागज पकड़े हैं, जिन पर मोदी जी 30 महीने से बैठे हैं, उनमें लिखा है बिरला से 25 करोड़ रुपए और जिनमें 12 करोड़ की लिखा है पेमेंट हो गई और 12 बाकी हैं, सवालिया निशान है, और 40 करोड़ 10 लाख रुपए 9 बार में सहारा समूह से। मोदी जी अगर सच्चे हैं तो वो जवाब क्यों नहीं देते और जांच से क्यों भाग रहे हैं? खिल्ली उड़ाइए, मजाक उड़ाइए, भाषण दीजिए, पर कम से कम हाँ या ना में जवाब तो दीजिए कि पैसा लिया या नहीं लिया।
एक सवाल ये भी उठता है कि अर्थक्वेक आपने नोटबुक जारी की है, 16 पन्ने की ये नोटबुक है, इसमें तमाम मसलों का आपने जिक्र किया और आगे की रणनीति भी बताई कि किस तरह से आप सरकार को घेरेंगे। पर इस पूरे मसले में जब आज इतना अहम दिन है तो राहुल गांधी नदारत है, कहाँ है राहुल गांधी?
ये भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस ने जो बुकलेट जारी की है, अगर आप इसका देखें तो जो राहुल जी ने मांगे उठाई थी, नोटबंदी हो गई, नोटबंदी का तुगलकी फरमान मोदी जी ने जारी कर दिया, परंतु इसके बाद क्या? इस देश के गरीब किसान, छोटे व्यवसायी, दुकानदार, छोटे छोटे मजदूर की नुकसान की भरपाई कैसे हो? उसका एक नया रास्ता 28 तारीख को कांग्रेस के स्थापना दिवस पर राहुल गांधी जी ने अनवील किया था और उसमें बड़े सीधे से हमने 5 पहलू रखे हैं। मोदी जी आज आप बोलेंगे 31 तारीख को देश के नाम संदेश देंगे, तो कृपया करके नोटबंदी के चलते बैंकों से खुद का पैसा निकलवाने की सारी पाबंदी हटाइए। जितने दिन पैसा बैंकों में रहा 18% ब्याज दीजिए। देश की महिलाओं के नुकसान के लिए कम से कम गरीब बीपीएल महिलाओं को 25,000 रुपया दीजिए। किसान के नुकसान के लिए किसान को एमएसपी पर 20% बोनस दीजिए। इसके साथ साथ जो राशन में मिलने वाला गेहूं, चावल इत्यादि है, 6 महीने तक उसकी कीमत आधी कीजिए। 25 लाख मजदूरों की नौकरी गई है, 31 मार्च 2017 तक उन्हें बेरोजगारी भत्ता दीजिए। मनरेगा मजदूरों के दिन और दिहाड़ी दुगनी कीजिए और दुकानदार जिसका व्यवसाय बंद है उसको 50% इनकम टैक्स और सेल्स टैक्स की छूट दीजिए। ये रास्ता है। आज सुबह भी राहुल गांधी जी ने इन बातों को फिर दोहराया है और आपका चैनल भी उसे उनके ट्विटर हैंडल से पिकअप करके दिखा रहा था। सवाल अब संजीदा होने का है, मजाक उड़ाने का नहीं। नोटबंदी से सेंटर फॉर मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी के मुताबिक 1,30,000 करोड़ का नुकसान 50 दिन में हुआ। शायद 3 से 4 लाख करोड़ का नुकसान अगले 1 साल में होगा। इस देश के लोगों की जिंदगी चलेगी कैसे? उस नुकसान की भरपाई का समय आया है। हम हाथ जोड़कर आग्रह करेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री जी इस देश की पीड़ा समझिए और आज इस पर निर्णय कीजिए।
आपका जवाब अच्छा है रणदीप जी, फिर भी आपने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया। राहुल गांधी राष्ट्रीय नेता है, वो कहाँ है?
राहुल गांधी जी ने जो बात कहनी थी वो 28 को कही, कल फिर कही, आज फिर कही है।
वो अवकाश पे है नए वर्ष की या फिर वो ड्यूटी पर, जहाँ पे भी है ड्यूटी पर है?
राहुल गांधी जी किसी कोई नौकरी में अभी नहीं है, वो भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के नेता हैं और वो जब अवकाश पर जाएंगे तो हम आपको बता देंगे।
शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। तो कांग्रेस ने पूरी तरह से नोटबंदी पर सरकार की लामबंदी करने की प्लानिंग कर रखी है। कैमरा पर्सन अश्विनी हेलेन के साथ मौसमी सिंह, दिल्ली आज तक।
All right, let's get in details from Maushami, who's also joining us live now. Maushami, you of course were trying to speak to the Congress and get some answers as to where Rahul is headed, while he's tweeted and confirmed that the Congress is remaining tight-lipped really on where he's heading for a holiday.
You know, Avantika, it's always going to be difficult for the Congress party to defend Rahul Gandhi when he leaves on a break. Because last time when he left on a break, Bihar elections were happening. Before that, when he left on a break, it was the budget session and he left midway. So Rahul Gandhi has been in the eye of the storm whenever he's left for a break, and that's why he started this precedent of tweeting about his break. But the question really is that in the parliament and out on the streets, Congress party has been projecting the Rahul Gandhi, the Congress vice president, as the man who is actually taking the entire demonetization debate to another high. They are projecting Rahul Gandhi as the face of the opposition, united opposition. And then when the Prime Minister is supposed to address today in the evening, Rahul Gandhi is going to be flying to some unknown destination abroad. The question really is, we do believe he has a private life. We understand that every time the Congress party says that Rahul Gandhi also has a private life and he's 24/7 a politician. He's not a pastime politician. But that understood, when the Prime Minister addresses today, it should be Rahul. Shouldn't it be Rahul Gandhi at the podium, at the AICC, addressing the public instead of Randeep Surjewala? That's the real question that maybe lots of people would be asking. If it's Rahul versus Modi, it has to be Rahul Gandhi in person, present to defend and to oppose the government.
Right, Maushami, stay with us. Javed, you know, this is the point that many are saying. While he's a public figure, he's very much entitled to vacations. He's very much entitled to taking holidays and the likes. But having said that, the timing is definitely wrong, because this is a time when today we're expecting the Prime Minister to address the gathering. Rahul Gandhi's personally been fronting the attack for the Congress as far as the demonetization drive is concerned. So is the timing really wrong is the question?
Look, as far as Rahul Gandhi and his office are concerned, they believe he will continue to front it. There is no resiling or going back from the position that he's taken on demonetization. They do believe that they will have a vigorous response to whatever the Prime Minister has to say. And they believe now, as far as criticism of Rahul Gandhi is concerned, they would his opponents will criticize him no matter what. Even if he had taken a break and gone to Goa, they would have criticized him, irrespective of the fact that a lot of people are taking breaks and going abroad and to other different locales in the country. So the fact of the matter remains that this is politics and he will continue to be criticized.
Okay.
Would he have been better off not going abroad? Perhaps so, but that he's chosen to go abroad, as far as I am personally concerned, everybody is entitled to leave. So long as he doesn't go abroad and, you know, holidays for a month, as long as he's back in the next couple of days, I don't think this will matter much in the long run.
Okay, all right. Javed, Maushami and Shiv, thanks for joining us with those details. We'll have to possibly wait and watch to see if this development does put Congress in the back foot or not, because Rahul Gandhi will not be there to front the attack for the Congress, and the Prime Minister speaks today. He's now headed out for a vacation. He'll be back on January 4th. He's confirmed that on Twitter as well.